The modern mind imagines influence as action at a distance. A planet millions of miles away affects your mood. A thought in one mind reaches another with no physical connection. An intention shapes events across space. This is confused. Nothing acts at a distance. Everything that influences through something. The traditions understood that influence requires a medium, not because influence is impossible, but because reality is continuous. There are no gaps. Everything connects to everything else through a chain of relationship. When the sun influences a plant, it does so through light, through photons traveling across space, absorbed by chlorophyll, converted to growth. The influence is real, but it travels through a medium. When a planet influences a person, the traditions taught, it does so through the spiritus mundi, through the subtle medium that connects the celestial pattern to the earthly manifestation. The influence is real, but it is not magical in the sense of lawless. It follows pathways. This is why sympathy and antipathy matter so much to the magical arts. Sympathy is the connection between things of similar nature, the channel through which influence can flow. When you work with solar herbs at a solar hour for a solar purpose, you are building a pathway. You are constructing the medium through which solar influence can reach your intention. You know this from experience. Your influence over others works through something, through words, through touch, through presence, through the quality you emanate. You cannot will someone to feel something. You must express something that reaches them. Sympathy works the same way. You have met people with whom influence flowed easily, as if you were already connected. And you have met people with whom every communication was labored, as if the medium between you were thick or absent. The magician learns to construct media deliberately, to choose materials that conduct what needs conducting, to work at times that align what needs aligning, to prepare the self so that influence can flow through without distortion. Where in your life are you trying to influence without connection? What pathways of sympathy have you neglected that, if cultivated, would make your work more effective? What are you conducting that you have not chosen to conduct? This is why magic is not merely intention. It is the art of choosing the right medium, at the right time, with the right resonance. For nothing acts at a distance. Everything is connected. An influence travels along the lines of sympathy you learn to perceive.